In previous video we have completed sorting implementation, but we were able to sort the fields in ascending order. Now we want to give provision to client to sort the fields in ascending order as well as descending order. In order to implement this, we have to provide one more parameter, that is sort dir. It means sort direction, either it would be ascending order or descending order. Alright, well, head over to IntelliJ IDEA and let's go ahead and let's add this parameter to our existing REST endpoint. Go to the controller, and within the controller we have get all post REST API. We have already provided a pagination and sorting parameters. Along with that, let's go ahead and let's provide this parameter. Let's use @request param annotation and give value equals to sort direction and default. So default we can give as ascending order. Let's make it optional. String sort direction. It's perfect, right? Now let's go ahead and let's add this parameter in required places. Go to the post service, and here we need to add this parameter, that is sort direction, and similarly let's add this parameter to post service IMPL method, that is get all post comma string sort direction. Perfect. Now what we need to do is we need to pass this sort direction dynamically. Now we're gonna add a condition here. If sort direction is in ascending order, then we will create a sort object with ascending. If it is not in ascending order, then we will create a sort object with descending. It's pretty simple. Sort equals to sort direction and then call equals ignore case method, and then we just pass the enum here, that is sort dot direction dot ascending dot name. Alright, if sort direction is ascending order, then what we'll do, we'll create a sort object, and here we pass a field name, that is sort by, and let's make this object as ascending. It's pretty simple, isn't it? And then in an else condition we just create a sort dot by and we pass a field name, that is sort by, and then make this object as a descending. Perfect. Now we got a sort object. So if sort direction is in ascending order, then this will return this object. If it is not in ascending order, then this will return this object. So this is basically a ternary condition. And now we add this sort object to this method. Alright, we just pass sort object to op method. That's it. Pretty simple. And go to the post controller, and here we need to add a parameter, that is sort direction. It's pretty simple. Now let's go ahead and let's restart the server and let's test these changes. Make sure that your Spring Boot application is up and running. You don't have to restart the application again and again, but make sure that your Spring Boot application is up and running whenever you done some changes in your application. Alright, head over to Postman client, and here we need to provide a parameter. We need to pass a parameter as a query parameter to the URL, like ampersand sort direction equals to ascending, and hit send button. And yeah, here we go. The field, that is title, is sorted in ascending order. You can see here title, A blog, B blog, C blog, like that. Let me change the page size so that we can see the minimum result, and hit send button again. Yeah, we can see only 5 records. Now let me change the sort direction from ascending to descending and hit send button, and here we go. We got a success response. I mean, we got a valid result here. K and then J, I, H and H, and if I change the page number from 0 to 1 and if I hit send button, I can able to see here, okay, G, F, E, D, C, and if I change the page number 2, then we can able to see the titles are sorted in descending order, B and A. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just sort by ID, and you can able to see here the IDs are sorted in descending. 2 comes first and then 1, and just change the page number, let's say 0, or you can also remove the page number. By default it is 0. Okay, 12 comes first and then 11, 10, 9. Okay, perfect. We can able to sort the fields in ascending order as well as descending order. It means that we have successfully implemented sorting implementation. Alright, we have successfully implemented a sorting support in our get all post REST API.